When you're attempting to analyze an idle problem, check the obvious things first. Things like vacuum hose routing. Make sure that's correct. Check for vacuum leaks. If you suspect a vacuum leak is the cause of your idle concern, go to vacuum leak testing. And then look in the throttle bore and make sure there's no carbon buildup. Make sure that plug wires haven't fallen off or they're broken. Do the obvious things first, then connect a scan tool and select data stream. The first data bit you want to look at is TPS voltage. Any adjustment made to the throttle stop screw is going to change TPS voltage. We have seen where adjustments to the throttle stop screw has tried to compensate for vacuum leaks by turning it out and trying to lower idle, and to compensate for dirty throttle bores where they crank it in trying to raise RPM because the carbon around the throttle bore has lowered it. So ensure that the TPS is within specifications. Then the IAC percentages should be between 15 and 25. That is at idle, because the IAC percentages will go higher as engine speed increases. When the IAC percentage is higher than normal with the throttle closed, the PCM is commanding that higher RPM. The reason you have high RPM is the PCM is commanding it. In that case, check the engine load sensors and the temperature sensors. Go to Scan Data Testing. When the IAC percentages are lower than normal with the throttle closed, the PCM is commanding a lower RPM. Go to Vacuum Leak Testing.
This is the end of this test sequence. Make a selection from the video menu based on your test results, or repeat the last test to identify the best test to do next.